In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cookie banner to your Framer website. By the end, you'll have a clear, compliant banner on your site that informs visitors about cookies and helps you meet common privacy expectations like GDPR and CCPA. Think of this as a quick, reliable way to communicate what your site collects and to give people a simple choice. Start with your project open in Framer. With your canvas visible, look toward the top of the interface for the Insert option. This is where Framer keeps ready, say, components you can drop into your design. Opening Insert gives you a searchable library so you don't have to build a cookie banner from scratch. In the search field, type the word cookie. This narrows the library to the components related to cookie consent. You should see an option labeled Cookie Banner. It's pre-configured to look good out of the box, and it includes the essential elements you need: a short message, an action button, and a clear way for visitors to acknowledge your policy. Now drag the cookie banner from the Insert panel onto your canvas and drop it onto the page where you want it to appear. Most sites place it along the bottom edge so it feels visible but unobtrusive. As soon as you drop it in, you'll see the default banner appear with placeholder text and buttons. It's designed to work immediately, so you have a baseline experience even before you fine-tune anything. After it's on the canvas, take a moment to check how it sits with your layout. Make sure it doesn't cover critical navigation or a primary call to action on first load. If your audience is on mobile a lot, quickly glance at the mobile breakpoint to confirm the banner remains legible and tappable. Clear contrast between the background and text will help with accessibility, and readable button labels make the choice obvious. You'll notice that the banner includes editable text areas. Keep the copy short and plain. Explain that your site uses cookies, link to a privacy or cookie policy, and provide a clear accept action. If you're matching your brand, choose colors that align with your palette while preserving legibility. Simple wording and high contrast go a long way. When you preview your page, open a private or incognito window to see the banner as a new visitor would. If you've recently accepted the banner, clearing site data will let you view it again. And remember, the banner should be helpful, not pushy. Make it easy to understand and quick to act on. That's it. Open Insert, type cookie, and drag in the cookie banner. You now have a clean, professional consent banner ready for your Framer site.